Hello and welcome to Fluentors. This is your safe space to practice English naturally, step by step, day by day. I'm Dina, and today I'll help you build your English rhythm, confidence, and flow. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. Today's episode is called Shadowing Practice for Natural English Flow. Speak fluently by repeating every day. So, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques for improving your English fluency, used by language experts and even interpreters. It simply means listening to a native or fluent speaker and speaking along with them at the same time. You try to match their pronunciation, tone, rhythm, and pauses, like an echo that follows closely behind. You don't just repeat words, you imitate how they speak. When you shadow daily, your mouth, ears, and brain start working together, and that's when your English starts to sound natural and automatic. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. Everyone struggles a bit in the beginning, but that's completely normal. With consistent practice, you'll notice your pronunciation becomes smoother, your confidence grows, and you start to think in English without translating. That's the real power of shadowing. It transforms your listening into active speaking practice. So, get ready to listen, repeat, and feel the language, because shadowing is your secret weapon to fluent English. Let's try it together. I'll say a line, and then you repeat after me. Sentence 1. I'm getting better at English every day. Sentence 2. I speak clearly and confidently. Sentence 3. My English flows more naturally each time I practice. Good. That's how shadowing works. At first, it might feel strange, but your mouth is learning new movements. Your brain is learning new sounds. It's a small exercise, but it brings big results. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Why shadowing works. Shadowing connects your ears and your voice. It teaches your mouth how English truly sounds. Even when you don't understand every word, you're still learning rhythm, tone, and stress. With time, you'll speak faster, clearer, and more confidently. How to practice daily, even if you're busy. Many learners say, I want to improve my English, but I'm too busy. I feel shy when I speak. I don't know where to start. You don't need a lot of time. You just need small, smart habits. Let me share 5 simple ways to add English and shadowing into your daily life. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. The first and most important step to speaking English naturally is listening every single day. If you want your speaking to improve, your ears need constant practice. Not once a week, not only in class, every day. Listening trains your brain to recognize words, sentence patterns, and the natural rhythm of English. It also helps you understand how real people speak, with expressions, pauses, and natural flow, not just textbook English. So, how can you make daily listening practical? Listen to short podcasts or audio lessons while doing other tasks. Play English songs and try to notice the words or phrases. Watch YouTube videos, mini-stories, or new segments designed for learners. Don't worry if you only understand part of it. Even 30% or 50% is enough to train your brain. The secret is consistency. You can listen while walking, cleaning, cooking, exercising, or even relaxing. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to notice improvement. Make English your daily soundtrack. Let it flow around you naturally, like gentle background music. Your ears will start recognizing patterns. Your brain will absorb new words. And slowly, your speaking will become smoother and more confident. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now that you're listening, use your voice. Don't just hear English. Speak it. Copy it. After each sentence, repeat immediately. Here's an example. I can express my ideas clearly. I'm speaking more fluently each week. My pronunciation is improving. Keep repeating every day. Your confidence will grow. Your speech will feel natural. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be practiced. Tip 3. Think in English. Stop translating everything. Translation slows you down. Instead, try short English thoughts. When you wake up, it's morning. I'm sleepy. I need coffee. When you go outside, the air feels cool. I see the sunlight. These short sentences train your brain to think directly in English. Later, whisper them aloud. It's like a friendly chat with yourself, in English. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading aloud trains your speaking muscles. Choose something short, a story, a news clip, or a dialogue. Read slowly first, then a little faster, then again with feeling and emotion. Imagine you're an actor bringing English to life. This builds fluency and confidence. Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. Don't just study English. Live with it. Here's how. Change your phone language to English. Label things around your home. Write your to-do list in English. Watch 5 minutes of English video instead of your usual one. Every small action helps English become natural. This is how fluency grows, quietly, every day. Bonus. Write a mini English diary. Every night, write 3 sentences about your day. For example, I cooked dinner today. I watched a funny video in English. I feel proud of my progress. Simple words, real life. That's how your English becomes alive. Bonus 2. Record yourself. Record a 1-minute message every day. Talk about what you did or learned. Then listen to yourself. You'll notice your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your progress. It's not about judgment, it's about growth. Bonus 3. Join speaking groups. Join an online group of English learners on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. Send voice notes. Read others' posts. Share your thoughts. It's not just study, it's connection. Bonus 4. Repeat from short videos. Watch short English clips about food, travel, or daily life. Listen twice, then repeat the same sentences. Copy the rhythm, tone, and energy. Even 20 seconds a day makes a big difference. The real secret. Turn small daily actions into English practice. Say good morning in English. Write your notes in English. Think your thoughts in English. These small habits become strong foundations, and strong foundations build confident English speakers. Make English part of your day, your phone, your mind, and your heart. When you do that, English stops being something you study. It becomes something you live. You're doing amazing. Keep shadowing, keep repeating, keep growing. I'll see you next time on Fluentors, where English becomes natural, step by step, word by word.